Mic check, mic check. What's kicking? This is Mr. Batch, and you're on the other side over there. What I want to kick it about is that I'm going to comment on a comment. Yes, I'm going to comment on somebody's comment to my Kobe 61. And it starts like this. What I don't understand is how could someone be a fan of two teams? He says he was a fan of Showtime, but talks about the Knicks like it's his team. Which is it? People like you aren't real fans of basketball. I don't care what you say. When there is greatness on the court, regardless of what team he's on, you have to appreciate it. Just like the New Yorkers who gave him a standing ovation. They understand, unlike this confused fan, all he talks about is, I hate Kobe. I'd like to know why. First of all, let's start and break this down. He doesn't understand how I can like two teams. And it talks about Showtime and the Knicks. First of all, I've been a fan of Magic Johnson's from the time he was in college. I loved it when he beat Larry Bird in the Final Four. All right, Magic Johnson went from winning a finals and then going to the NBA and winning a championship. Kobe didn't do that, did he? No. Oh, that's right. Kobe didn't go to college. Kobe came straight up. Oh, that's right. Kobe was not the man. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, he was second banana, second fiddle. Okay. People like you aren't really fans of basketball. Yes, I am a real fan of basketball. Yes, I loved my Knicks. I still love my Knicks, but I can appreciate a ball player. Now, I guess you're confused is that you are just, with the blinders on, like them horses in the race, you with the blinders on. I appreciate the game. So I'm a fan of ball players. I like ball players outside of the team that I like, and I follow their progress throughout the league and throughout their history. That means I'm a fan. So that's my definition. I don't care what your definition is. Okay, let's go a little bit further down. Just like the New Yorkers who gave him a standing O. All right, let me put that to rest. Right now, this city's so big, we got fans from every team in every Major League Baseball, basketball, football, hockey. We got fans from teams all over the country in this city. So it just so happens one night, Kobe comes in, drops 61, and the place was flooded with Laker fans. Those were the ones who was clapping. It wasn't going to be no New Yorkers clapping for Kobe. Stop it. Come on. Now, the reason that you wrote this is because that's all you know. It starts at Kobe and moves here. You don't know what happened before that. Okay, granted, I'll give you that. You're entitled to your opinion, and I'm entitled to my opinion. And then, why I don't like Kobe? Kobe should have never said Shaq does it too. That's one thing. Then he got jerked out there in Colorado. That's what led to the Shaq comment. Then on top of that, he didn't go to China when he was under contract to Adidas and got out of that, and now he's with Nike. Yeah, a lot of stuff like that. That's what I don't like about Kobe. Okay? I don't like about Kobe. And but you know what? I will give props where props is due. Congratulations to Kobe for winning his first title without the big man, Shaq, who was, if I'm correct, Finals MVP and also All-Star MVP during his tenure with the Lakers. It wasn't Kobe, because Kobe wasn't the man. Yes, I'm a fan of the sport. I'm a fan of Magic Johnson, and I was a fan of Showtime, and I appreciated what that franchise had done. Yes, I'm a fan, and I like good ball players all across the board in each major sport here in the United States. That's my definition, and I'm glad you enjoyed the video. And next time I go visit you, at least put some videos up of what you done. Let's see a picture of who you are and what you are. This anonymous stuff is kind of crazy. People hiding behind things, saying, hey, hiding. Mr. Batch ain't hiding. I'm here, and I'm standing behind my opinion and my voice. And you do too, folks out there. And as for my buddy here, hopefully you'll get more than just one subscriber to no videos.
What? Oh, you kick it, what?